Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Dayla Nolis, Director of Academic Technology. Our department offers training and support for faculty in the use of teaching technology such as Canvas, as well as course design assistance. I know many of you may be new to teaching online this semester, so I wanted to show you some resources that are available that may be of help to you as you're working on getting your courses ready for the fall. The first one is our academic technology webpage. You can get to it from the Eastern Florida homepage, going to faculty and staff, and then we're the second link at the top. Our page contains many great Canvas how-to and course design resources here, so you can browse this whole site. We keep it up to date as possible. I just wanted to point out though that our training calendar here is posted in our fall 2020 schedule. We have lots of training available for you to take throughout the semester. If you're interested in learning about how you can incorporate live web conferencing into your classroom, we've added a new Teams webinar to our lineup as well. And then remember too, if you can't make it to one of our workshops at the particular date and time that it's being offered, we have all of our webinars recorded and available in the MyCTE course, which I'll show you how to get to shortly. Okay, the second page I wanted to show you is the new Academic Continuity Resources page. You can get to that in a number of different ways, but from the Eastern Florida homepage, you can just type in academic continuity in the search. We created this page specifically for our face-to-face faculty in mind to assist them in dealing with the challenges that have been brought on by this pandemic. So you can look over this page later in its entirety, but I just wanted to point out a few areas real quick. We have in this accordion options and tools for migrating various in-class activities. This document here is really great because it translates activities that you might have done in class and how they might, different ideas for how you might give those in an online format. And we also have our master course list available right here. In addition to the master courses, we also have a whole list right here of courses that have been shared by our faculty, and those are available in Canvas Commons. We have resources that you can share with your students right here. And then the last thing on this page I just wanted to point out are all the resources and support contacts we've put right here in one place for you. So contact information for our academic technology team. In addition to that, we have a whole list of Canvas superheroes that are ready and waiting to assist you. Of course, the libraries also have many great resources. And then if you have any technical issues, the IT support desk would be who you would call for that. Okay, and then the MyCTE Canvas course. That's right here. Every faculty member should see the MyCTE course and their list of courses in Canvas. Now there is an academic continuity training section at the top here in red that we just added. And this is where you'll find all of the recordings of our webinars, and then as well as other pertinent training that we've listed here, and then other resources. And then the last thing I just wanted to show you is the ACTech Post newsletter that we put out every spring and fall. This is our fall 2020 edition. Look out for this to come out in the Titan Today probably next week. If at all, I usually always put it out in an email as well, usually through the CTC. So look out for that. It's got a lot of great information about Canvas updates that happened over the summer, some semester startup checklists, and information about moving your classes online. A lot of the resources that I just went over are linked right here. So if you need the links to those are within the newsletter. Then information about our new Microsoft Teams web conferencing tool, and then of course our fall 2020 workshop lineup is on the right here. So thank you. I hope everybody has a great fall semester and stays safe and healthy.